Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chommy, and in today's episode we'll be cooking catfish pepper soup, also known as point and kill. So if you want to really see how I prepare this delicious catfish pepper soup, keep watching. But before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please try and hit on that red place that says subscribe, and also turn on the notification bells. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. And these are the ingredients that I will be using to prepare this catfish pepper soup. And here I have the fish itself. I will be cutting it and be washing it later with lemon and salt. Here I have 1 lemon for washing of the fish, salt. I have parsley. I have this Otazi. It's quite bitter. So I'll be adding just a little. Scent leaf, 1 red onion, 2 Habanero pepper, 1 red bell pepper. It's quite small. It's not spicy at all, just to add more color to our pepper soup. And here I have our Calabash Nutmeg, the main ingredient for pepper soup for this occasion. And here I have 1 nut seasoning cube. Now over to the fish. I will go ahead and cut the fish. And to do this, your knife should be very sharp. If not, you will mess up the fish. And when I'm done cutting it, I will transfer them to a bowl. Okay, to wash the fish, I'll be adding salt, and the lemon juice. And washing the fish with salt and lemon helps to take away the sliminess of the fish and reduce the strong smell of the fish. And when I'm done adding the lemon, I will go ahead and add water to start washing the fish. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thanks to all my subscribers and to you all for all your support. I really appreciate that a lot. So if this is your first time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit on that red place that says subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload any video. And also give this video a thumbs up, okay? So I will continue washing the fish, and when I'm done washing the fish, I will rinse it again with a cold water. And after that, I will go ahead and add the hot water. And the work of the hot water is to help to firm up the fish. Then I will give it a quick stir gently. And I will quickly take it out of the hot water. And here I have the onion, the 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, and the small bell pepper. So I'll be blending this all together. And here I have our Calabash Nutmeg. I will also be blending it. And here I have our fish. I have transferred it to the pot that I will be using to prepare it. And here is the pepper, the onion that I grounded together. Yeah. So now I will go ahead and add all my ingredients. The Calabash Nutmeg, igbo. Salt. And I will just be adding 1 Knorr seasoning cube. When I need more, I will add. Now I'll be adding warm water. Now I will just cover it and let it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And here the fish has been cooking for 15 minutes. So I will just give it a quick and gentle stir and taste for salt and seasoning, and adjust if necessary. I will just be adding a little salt. And after that, I will just cover it and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. And after the total of 25 minutes of cooking the fish is now ready to accept the vegetables. Wow, they're nice. I'll add my scent leaf, my frozen scent leaf. And the frozen Otazi. And parsley. But if you have fresh scent leaf or Otazi, you can use it instead of parsley. I will just move it this way and cover the pot. In less than 1 minute, our catfish pepper soup is ready. And have you prepared your white agidi, your boiled yam, boiled plantain, or even white rice to enjoy this catfish pepper soup? And as you can see, the fish, they are all intact. That's why it's always good when you are cooking your fish pepper soup, you use a wide pot. And that is it for today. Please, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Until we see you next time, bye bye.